Hi guys, today I've got the golf buggy out and Tyler's here, and what we're going to do, we're going to drag a big massive bag what you put sand and gravel in that we've got from the builder's merchant. This is the bag there, and we're going to drag that with this golf buggy, and somebody is going to get inside the bag. Who's in that bag? Who's in that bag? Oh, it's Leo and Angel. Are you ready? Yeah. Should we see if it works? Right guys, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Ready?
Yeah. Go!
Ready? Ready? I'm going, let's go! Ready? Woo! Is that good? Is that good fun? Look at her face. Ready? We're going up a hill, guys! I'm going full speed, Leo! I'm going full speed!
Daddy, you getting it and I'm driving.
Leo, do you reckon it'll work with me in? Guys, I am going to get inside this bag and then the golf buggy is going to drag me. Come on, Leo.
And I'm going in too.
Come on, Leo.
You getting fast.
Why? Because I'm skinniest. I'm the skinniest. Right, we're in. We're in.
And what are you guys going to do?
Drive. Watch out, Mummy.
Angel, make sure you don't crash. Hey!
Angel, slow down a bit. Angel! Oh!
Go speed. Come on, go!
Steady! Full speed now!
No speed!
Ah! Ah! My bumps! Ah! Ah! My boat is on fire! My boat is on fire! Ah! Guys, my bum! Oh!
Again!
Oh no, not again! My bum is so sore!
Angel, what did you do to your daddy?
Get on!
This is a super fun game. This is done now. We've got another bag and we've cut it in half and we're going to try and surf on it. Do you think it'll work, Angel?
I think it might fall off.
No, I'm going to try and surf on it. Right, let's swap it over, guys. Come on. Here we go. I'm doing it! We're surfing! We're surfing! We're surfing! We're surfing! Angel! We've fallen out! Leo, let's go back! Angel! Ready? Here we go! Here we go! Slow, Angel! I've got you, Leo, I've got you!
I'm just going to step with the guy.
Leo's going on it, guys. Be careful, Leo. Oh, no! Ready to go now. Go, Angel.
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Bye, Leo!
Go, bye.
Get!
I nearly got run
I
over.
bet you can't catch us.
Guys, this is really difficult to do. Tomorrow, come back, watch our next video tomorrow, and we will try something else. Don't forget, guys, to like, leave a comment with your name, and subscribe. Bye, guys.